Changing out the fuel filter on the Jaguar X-Type 2 litre diesel 2003 to 2009. Changing out the fuel filter on the Jaguar X-Type is a relatively easy thing to do. Just open the bonnet, and the fuel filter is located at the top of the engine at the back near the firewall. Just here. I'll just carefully clip back this return feed pipe with a pair of mole grips, just being careful not to damage it. Gives us much better access. Top pipe is the feed from the tank, and the second one is the feed to the pump, and the smaller bottom one is the return pipe, which is connected to a T with the pipe that I just clipped back. It's always a good idea to measure the filter so you make sure you get the right one. This is about 80mm diameter. By about 120 in length. First thing you want to do before you begin is wear some protective gloves and some protective eyewear. Right, I'll take the return feed pipe off first, the one with the blue buttons on each side. I think these were designed to do with your fingers, finger and thumb, but it's really hard to do like that, so you'll need a screwdriver. You only need to press on one side, they'll both go in at the same time. There's always a tendency here to pull it up before it's actually released from the button, and then it gets jammed, like I'm doing here. So keep it pressed down until you fully press the buttons in, and then you can pull up. Push it fully in, and then up, just like that. Push that one out of the way, down here. On the larger connections, you've got to pull the white locating tab out. And I found it was easiest to just push the tail end of these in, where the clips are. Push the white ends in a little bit, and then the tag will come out, and you can just put your screwdriver in and pull it out further. They won't come out until the white locking tab is fully out, but you don't need to take it out of the connection. Take that one off and just push it to the rear. Now to take the filter out, you just got to push back this little clip here, and then it'll slide out. And be mindful that it's full of fuel. This filter's got a water release tap or separator at the end, but you shouldn't need to use that in the UK. Just out of interest, I'm going to empty the contents of the filter into a receptacle, just to see what condition it's in. Quite a few bits in that. Don't want that going into my engine. Here's my new filter. It's one of them. Comp line. Here's the part number. It's got marked on it the flow connectors in red and the return in yellow. It's even got some arrows on the top of the filter. Now, to stop you turning your engine over too much when you restart your engine, you want to be filling the fuel filter with fresh fuel. Stand your filter in a receptacle of some kind. It's a little bit messy, and I'm using a little turkey baster to do it. And fill it up until it's full. Just wipe all the excess fuel off. And then just slot it back in to the holder. and it'll click into place. Then you just need to align the top of the filter with the connections, and it's simply a matter of just fitting on the connection. Nice and squarely, and pushing down as far as it'll go before pushing the white lever into place. Do the second one, push down, press on it to make sure it's firmly down, then push the white locking tab back into place. I'll just show you that again from a different angle. Push down, white locking pin at the side, click into place. And the blue one's the easiest one of all. You just push that down until it clicks, like so. Better not forget to take this clamp off, and we're done. Hope this helped you out, guys. And as always, thank you for watching.